Hello, my name is Jarvis Takapa, and today I'm going to help you work with a CSV file in R. So let's get started. Alright, so this is the folder that we are going to be working with, and if I open this folder very quick, it's a data 630 folder. That's a course that I'm currently doing at UNGC. In this folder we have a file named cars.csv, which if I open this file right now, you see that it contains a couple of columns that shows the make of a car, the fuel type, number of doors, and other specifications. Let's go ahead and close this. Okay, so the aim is to get that file into R and do some work. Let's get started. Before we do that, let's see the current working directory. I'll say get wd. All right, let's see. Okay, it shows that my current working directory is /users/Jarvis Takapa. That's my name. Now I have to change it into this folder because this is the folder that I want R to go to for all of my work. So I will start by saying set wd, and in double quotations like so. Now we need our file path. What I do is I come to this folder right here, right click, and I copy very quick, and I go to a terminal window, Ctrl V, paste it right there. Oh yes, it gives me what? The file path. So what I do is I highlight it and I copy it. So back to R, Ctrl V, paste. Alright, so okay, we do a little bit of cleaning right here. Make sure there's no space in between. No space, looks good. Enter. Perfect, that works. Alright, so next we are going to load the file cars into R. So what I do is I will just say cars underscore cs let's do data data underscore cars so we assign it to data underscore cars. Let's see here. All right, read.csv, because it's a CSV file, so we use read.csv to load the CSV file in R. So read.csv, it takes a couple of arguments. Our first argument is the file name. The file name is cars.csv. A second argument will be the header. Header equals true, all in capital letters. And since it's a CSV file, which is a comma separated file, we say set equals in double quotations, comma. All right, so enter. Oh, we have an error message. Object car dot cas not found. Oh, okay. All right, so we have two problems here. We have cars. We need a double quotation double quotation, and we're gonna fix this very quick. Okay, so I highlight it, just copy. Now I paste it down here. So let's put this in quotations. All right, and now cast.csv, CSV. Okay, let's click on enter one more time. Perfect, looking good. All right, so now we have this. Okay, so the next let's look at the first 6 rows of data underscore cast. So I will call the head function head data underscore cast. Perfect, it's pulling our file really good. As you can see, we have 1 2 3 4 5 6, the first 6 rows, and all the column names are right here, looking good. So we could play around a little bit more with our data set. I could say str to get the structure of the data set. Str data underscore cast. All right, enter. Okay, so we can see the structure of our data right here, and I'll go further to say this has been an exciting experience, and if you have any difficulties, any questions, please leave a message. Thank you.